Hello, this is Dark Tebow with Tebow Option Trades, and in this video I'm going to be rolling a covered call that's going against me. So I got the 180 call and I'm down $1,100 on it right now, but Nvidia's at 192 and my average cost is 179.92, and I'm down 1,100, but I'm up that much on the stock itself. So if I roll this to the, say, 192, because Nvidia's at 191 right now, and I want the most premium I can get for it, I can roll it to the 192, so that's what I'm going to do. Alright. Same expiration I'm doing, January 16th. Alright. And then later on in the video I'll be showing what it's like a week later, what it's looking like about a week later, not even. And you always want high volume and open interest when you're trading options. Right. So right here I was rolling it and I paid $1,630 to roll it, but if Nvidia, forgot what I was talking about. Alright, but that is how to roll a covered call that is gone against you. And right here is about a week later when I have the 192 call. So I'm going to try and keep my shares as long as it stays under 192, and then I can do it again next month.